Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin now. Pick one strong idea and a hook that lands in the first 3 seconds. Once done, set your phone to vertical 9, 16 and pick 15-60 seconds so YouTube classifies it as a short. Use a tripod or steady surface and natural light. Make sure audio is clean or use a simple lapel mic. Record short clips of 3-10 seconds each so you can rearrange. Keep visuals bold and move quickly. You want energy, clarity, and a single clear message. Now you edit with speed. Import clips and trim everything to 3 10-second bites, removing silent gaps to keep momentum. Once trimmed, arrange clips with quick cuts and jump cuts to emphasize action. Add 1-2 caption overlays to reinforce your main point. Make sure transitions are snappy and not distracting. Add royalty-free music low in the mix, around -6 to -10 decibels, so voice remains clear. Export as MP4 with vertical orientation, and review on your phone for pacing. Finish by uploading your vertical MP4 and include hash shorts in the title or description so YouTube recognizes it. You should write a one-line hook at the top of the description and add 2 relevant tags. Make sure the first 3 seconds are visually and audibly compelling. Once live, monitor retention in analytics and iterate. If views are low, check the thumbnail clarity, the impact of the first 3 seconds, and audio levels. Fix and reupload or pin a better version. Keep testing. Small tweaks yield big gains.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.